Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 10th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have also 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star in Dutch. They call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon. Alright. The first one is the 3 Stars Sudoku number 9414. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 Stars puzzle has 25. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star. A 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 1 star or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9, sorry. Yeah, 9 here or there. Same for the 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 3, 9, 6. Okay. So now, let me see. I need a 7 here. I need a 9 here. I need a 5 there. Need an 8 here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left on 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. Oh, this was 3 in this column, 3 in that column, yeah. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And all the 3's are used. I can see. This is the number 3. Then let me see. Well, 3, 9, 6. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 4 here. 4 there. Yeah. I need a 1 here. 1, 9, 1, 9, 5, 1, 9, 5, 5, 1, 9, 5, 9, 9. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have 7 in the second column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. 1, 1. Come on, come on, come on. Thinking. 9, 9. And the 4 here. Well, need an 8 here. Need an 8 here or there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 8, need 8 there. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Need a 5 there. Well, I'm stuck here. 4, 5, 7. Yeah. Oh, 9 and a 6. We already have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Overlooked. This 9. 9 should be here. How about the 6? 6. Need a 6 there. 6 there. 2, 3, 4. 9. 3, 9, 6, 8. 3, need a 1. I'm thinking. Yeah, 9 there, 9. 8, 8. 5, 5. Need a 9 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 6, 1, 6, 8. I want the 2 and then 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. No 2 here. In this column, we need a 2. Here can be 2, we have 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the 2 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above. So in that row, the only place left with 2 should be there. 2, 2. I need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4. Need a 5. 5, 5, 4, 5. Need a 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. Only place level 7 in this column should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, no need to place level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, 7. Alright. Need 4 here. Well, in this big square we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4, and the other number, and the other number is a 5. 4 missing numbers. The 4 and the 5 are missing. We have a 4 and a 5 in this row, so no 4 and a 5 in these two boxes. 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the middle, a row, so no 4 there. Sorry, in the middle column, so no 4 there. So the only place level 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 5. Then 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. That means 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. 8, 8, okay. Then the 2 there. 4 and the 1. Yeah. 4, 4. 4, 4. 8. Let me see. 6, 6. 3, 5, 2. 3, 9. Need a 9 here. Need an 8 here. 9, 8. Need a 1. Need a 6 here. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 1 here. 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. 3 missing numbers in this row, 3rd row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in the 3rd row for number 9. And we have a pair, the 4 and the 9 in this column, 4 and the 9 in the middle column. So the column next, oh no, we already have a 9 here. Overlooked. Need to wait here. Then need an 8. 1 and a 6, okay. 4 and a 1. 4, 1 and a 2. And a 2 here. 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing, 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and a 5. We have 1 and a 5 in this column, so no 1 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the 2nd row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright, how about the 5s? Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Alright, 1 and the 9. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, or last column. The only place left 1 should be there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 8. We have 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. How about the 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. Then 6 and 5. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only place level 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1. Then 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that third column, so the column between the second column, the only place level 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 17 minutes. Not pleased with the time, because I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. It's not a 3 stars, because for 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, but we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, but nice thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with all the 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.